Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple rice snack called Jumukbap. We're just going to add a few ingredients and turn them into these mini rice balls that are so addictive. And these rice balls are perfect to put out for your next party as finger foods that everyone's going to be like devouring. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 간단하고 맛있는 주먹밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient product links that you could order online. To make our Jumukbap fist rice or rice balls, we have 2 cups of cooked Korean rice. My rice has white rice and brown rice together. You cannot use basmati or jasmine rice because it just won't be sticky enough. So if you can't make Korean rice, you could use these microwavable Korean rice. But if you want to learn how to make Korean rice, check out my description box on how to make fluffy and soft Korean rice at home. And to our warm Korean rice, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of finely minced carrots, 1 tablespoon of minced scallions, green onions, just the green part only, and some crumbles, toasted seaweed crumbles, just about 3 or 4 of these little small pieces. And we're gonna add 2 pinches of matsogum. And matsogum is basically called seasoning salt, because it has salt and MSG mixed in together. So if you don't want to use this, just use salt instead, or you can also use 소고기 다시다 instead. Add the carrots, our green onions, and then I just want you to mix this up. And the way to do it is you go side and then you fluff, side and then fluff like that. Do not crush the rice grains. And half tablespoon of sesame seeds, chamge. And to this, we're gonna add a pinch of our seasoning salt, matsogum, in here. And then we're just gonna grind it for like 30 seconds. It's smelling nutty already. And then we're just gonna add it to our rice. And then we're gonna add our crumbles and mix it all up again. Ooh, it's starting to smell really good. All right, so let's have a quick taste test. The saltiness is perfect for me, but if you like it saltier, add a little more salt. Now, if you want to take this to like uber deliciousness, I would add some ground beef bulgogi. You could check out my rice paper dumpling recipe, which includes how to make the ground beef bulgogi. You add that in here, maybe like 2 tablespoons and mix it all up. Then it's just like too good to share. Now, if you can't get to a Korean market, you could order Korean ingredients for today's recipe at amazon.com/shop/modernpepper. And I will see you there. Then using your disposable gloves, take some of our rice and then put it in your hand. So this is best when it's done kind of warm. When it's too hot, it won't stay in shape. So you just like press it down and make it compact and then turn it into a round rice ball like that. Easy peasy. Now I'm gonna show you my sort of secret way of adding a surprise to your rice ball. So after you turn it into kind of a round shape like this, press down in the center like that. Then you could add whatever filling you like, but I'm gonna keep it simple and add a piece of avocado, ooh, right in the center, like that. And then take a little bit more of the rice, put it on top, squish it down, shape it into a ball, like that. Now you could also add soy sauce spam, scrambled eggs, edamame, and if you want to check out that recipe, make sure to check out my other Jumukbap recipe, and the video will be linked below. But look at that, easy peasy, and whoever gets this one with avocado is going to be so happy. Time to eat. I might get the one with the avocado in the middle. All right, let's see. This is the one. The reason why it has to be Korean rice is because Korean rice has this moist and chewy and sticky taste that binds the rice grains together and it becomes this round ball. And then the surprise of the creamy avocado, oh, so good. I like to also put a little small piece of the noramu pickled yellow radish. Such a great compliment of the yellow pickled radish. Next time you go to the Korean market, grab a package. Of course, you always have to add a piece of kimchi to everything you eat in life. From moi. With kimchi together, it just becomes a meal. Like so simple, but so satisfying meal. Yum. Now, if you love rice balls, you are gonna love kimbap. That's Korean seaweed rice roll, and we make it in so many different ways. So make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean kimbap recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipes you see right here.